Hi, I'm Neena and I'm contesting for the position of President Marketing Network. For those of you who have not got a chance to go and see my website, I'm here to share some thoughts with you. I'm here to share with you things that I believe will highly improve the potential of the marketing network and also its usability among students. First, I feel there's a need to improve the diversity across different sectors in Levy. There are many industries which are highly underrepresented in Levy, like consumer goods, healthcare, and retail. And I believe the true strength of a business school lies in its representation from different sectors. Technology is the strength of Silicon Valley, and I'm myself going to be working with Adobe in a short while. However, there are many more marketing careers beyond that. And I think this has got a little to do with the fact that we are living in the Bay Area. Because if you go and see Haas website, only 25% representation comes from technology sector and balance 75% is from diverse industries, say 8% from healthcare and 7% from consumer good or retail. So I believe that this area is highly untapped in Levy and we need to collectively work on it to improve the brand image of Levy in Valley and beyond, and also to give the head start to students who are looking for a career in these fields. I have laid out the detailed action plan on my website. However, in a nutshell, I plan to form an active student body who will go out to represent Levy in different companies, different industries, in addition to us calling keynote speakers and recruiters from these sectors. The student body will also collaborate with alumni and faculty members to suggest curriculum changes. Another area where I want to work on is current student-alumni relationship. I plan to strengthen this relationship by providing a platform for these two parties to connect, by holding special events specifically targeted towards current students and alumni, and also by signing volunteer alumni into a mentorship program which is specifically focused towards current students. Last but not the least, why am I suitable for this job? I have had a very rich industry experience in the areas of marketing and business development. I have spent 6 years in retail and I have catered to brands like Ann Taylor, Mother's Work and Nordstrom, which are highly acclaimed internationally. During this time, I've worked with sourcing partners from all across the globe, including Southeast Asia, Middle East, Sri Lanka, Europe and Africa. I believe that owing to the rich industry experience I have had, coupled with my drive to excel and be a change agent, I'll bring vision and maturity into the group. Also, my global experience will prove to be an asset to the marketing group and help us collectively find new ways to improve the potential of the group. And last but not the least, my unique experience in retail will help us push the boundaries and will bring a fresh perspective to the marketing group. I would request you to join hands with me and make this into a reality. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much.